Good morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Nova and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select System and Updates, mark Reset and select Reset All Settings. You can find it at the top of the list. So as you can see, the following will be reset, and these are network settings, fingerprints, Face ID and lock screen password. If you still want to do it, just mark Reset All Settings, enter the passcode, password, whatever you use, and mark Reset All Settings. Just remember that this operation cannot be undone, so you need to be sure. And now, if you are, just wait till the whole reset is performed. And that's it, that will be all. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.